Are your friends showing offline even when they're playing in Roblox? Here's how to fix it fast. Let's fix the friends list issue step by step. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary server glitch. Start by refreshing the page or restarting the app. A quick restart fixes many loading problems. Next, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet can stop friend status updates. Try logging out and signing back in. This refreshes your account session. If you use a browser, clear cache and cookies. Old data can block real-time updates. Then reload the game and check again. Now check your privacy settings. Make sure your status is visible to friends. Set it to friends or everyone. Remember, your friends might hide their status too. Check if the problem happens on another device. If it works on one device, the issue is local. Outdated apps often cause display bugs. Install any available updates. Also update your system if needed. Sometimes the servers themselves have issues. If servers are down, you'll need to wait. Check community reports or status pages. Security software can also interfere. Allow the game through your firewall. If you use a VPN, try disabling it. VPNs sometimes delay real-time status updates. After these fixes, your friends list should update. Now you can join your friends again. That means the issue is solved. Remember, refresh, check internet, update app, and review privacy settings. Most of these fixes take only minutes. Keeping your app updated prevents future problems. Save this guide in case the issue returns. Hit like if this helped fix your friends list. Comment if you still have the problem. Subscribe for more fixes and tips. Check out our other guides next. Thanks for watching and enjoy playing with your friends again.